Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to turn off the printer connected with Windows PC directly without pressing the power button. So without further delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my computer printer which is being connected with my Windows computer right now. As you can see, the power button is also turned on, so we are not going to press this power button right now. So in order to turn off this Raspberry printer without pressing the power button, what you need to do is on your Windows computer, just open the settings and just click on this Bluetooth and devices, and here on the right side you can see printers and scanners. Just click on it. Now select your Raspberry printer. So right now you can see it's a Canon G300 series printer in my case. Now just select this printer settings, and below you can see here one option, retain printer properties. Just click on it. Now here you can see on the right top corner, maintenance. Just click on it. Now below you can see here one option, retain power off, which will turn the printer off, as you can see here. So let us try to click on this and let's see what really happens. So now let me try to click on this power off option. Click on OK. Now you can see the light is blinking, but for a few seconds. So finally you can see the light is gone. That means we have successfully turned off the printer. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily turn off the printer connected with Windows PC directly without pressing the power button very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.